Hey everyone, this is Felicia here with Homebody. If you would like to see how I made this beautiful pillow and this beautiful 3D wall art, just keep on watching. This video is sponsored by Cricut. So loves, the first thing I would do is log on to the Cricut design space and search for the project that you're looking for. And in my case, I searched for palm leaf wall art. I knew I wanted to do some type of wall art, and then I also wanted to use that wall art to design a pillow. So once I searched around in design space, and I actually found one that I really like. And I'm just going to scroll back up to the wall art project that I really like, which is that first one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on customize because I want my leaf to be a specific size. And so that's what you can do in the design space. You can actually size the project to your liking. And for my particular wall art, I wanted it to fit the entire surface of my frame. So I'm going to go ahead and size it to my liking. And once I get it sized to my liking, then I'm going to go ahead and click make it. And then just follow the directions in the Cricut design space by selecting my vinyl and then go ahead and click in my machine and letting my Cricut do the work as you see here. And once my project is complete, then I'm going to go ahead and do my weeding. And weeding is when you pull off the excess vinyl from your project. And once I get the weeding done, then I'm going to go ahead and apply my transfer tape to my project. Now, this transfer tape is going to allow me to transfer my project to the destination of intent, which is meaning I'm going to be transferring my project to my frame. So what I'm going to be doing is just using the glass of the frame because I want to be able to change this out throughout the seasons. Like it's summer now, so I'm using a tropical theme. Now for the fall, I'll be using a fall theme. For the Christmas holidays, I'll be using a Christmas theme. So this is a removable vinyl, so I can just pull it off and I can apply another theme to my glass frame. So I've already cleaned my glass frame off, and so what I'm going to do is just go ahead and transfer my project over to the frame. Once I get my project transferred over to the frame, then I'm going to go ahead and add the actual glass back into the frame itself, seal the back, and I'm actually going to be showing you the project with just a clear white background, but I'm going to end up changing that background for the final reveal. I'm going to be using some cardstock that I picked up from Michael's just to give it that silver and gold glam look. I didn't want just a plain white background. So and then after that, I'm going to use this same project to create me a beautiful pillow. I so love this pillow. So the only difference is I'm using glitter vinyl, and when I'm using this vinyl, I'm going to mirror, like flip two of them, and I'm going to leave two of them right side up. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use my Easy Press 2, which is what I'm going to be using to iron on the vinyl project pieces onto my pillowcase. Now my pillowcase actually came from Cricut as well. So here I'm showing you how I'm placing my projects on my pillowcase. Now the pillowcase is actually an 18 by 18. Originally I was going to use one palm leaf on my pillowcase, but I decided to take it to another level and just, I'm team too much, and to use a total of 4 projects on this pillowcase, and it really came out cute. So I'm going to go ahead and place the projects to my liking and set my timer on my Easy Press 2 and just follow the directions on the time frame as far as to how much heat that I apply to each project.